What exciting adventures will we choose? We'll make new friends and make some plans. We'll post videos as we visit new lands. We'd love you to join us as we sail around in floating hotels of every brand. We're retired and it's time to cruise. Come and join us, so watch our YouTubes.
Hello again.
From Darren and Susan with Retired Time to Cruise.
From the Sapphire Princess.
We are going to show you
Sea Day.
Tea Day.
One of Susan's favorite things at sea is tea.
Princess Cruise Lines has a long-standing tradition of having afternoon tea on sea days. Have a look at what Tea Day looks like on the Sapphire Princess. Hello, it's Sea Day, Tea Day one more time. Look how they're all dressed up here.
Your t-shirt, madam.
Thank you so much.
At the beginning. Welcome back. Yeah, please. I'm on the camera.
Look at the beautiful. Yes, everyone's on camera. Sea Day, Tea Day.
Watch your step.
Thank you so much. Hello.
Let's start here. Here.
I'll sit.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you. And we have our servers, and they've got cute little sandwiches and pastries, and of course tea. Hello, thank you so much. Look at the beautiful tea service they use. Thank you. No, thank you. We should have some other guests joining us. They do tend to seat us all together. Hello, my friend. Awesome as always. Look at the beautiful sandwiches he has.
Made of scones.
He knows me and he knows I won't have any sandwiches. But what are the sandwiches today?
Alright, I've got an egg sandwich, ham and cheese, salami, chicken with avocado. Then I've got a roast beef, and I also have a vegetarian.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Alright.
But no thank you for the
Alright,
sandwiches.
thank you. I'll pour the scone guy. And you? No, no, thank you. Alright.
I'm surprised we haven't had more guests join us yet. Definitely scones.
Oh, so you just want the scones today?
That's all I ever have. Hello.
How are you? Welcome.
I am I will have two. Two.
Put it on my plate. I'll put it on.
No, I'll put it to
Oh, no.
No, he doesn't want any. I want two, always. I always have two, and he always has none.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Would you like some pastry?
Oh, let's look at the pastries. But
Almost empty.
oh my goodness, what do we have on the
We have
pastries?
double chocolate chip cookies, pistachio dome chocolate chip cookies, chocolate mousse, and then caramel.
All right, they're beautiful. Thank you so much. But I will not have any, thank you.
How about you, sir?
And now I've got this wonderful gentleman giving me cream and jam for my scones that I have split on my plate because I like it that way. So if you could just put the cream and the jam on my scones. No, on, please.
So what you want more?
Just like that on one more of the scones and jam on the other halves. I love how you get dressed up for tea. Beautiful, thank you very much. And now I'm going to pause the video because I would like to actually consume my tea. And we've had some friends join us at C Day, Tea Day. This is what's always the best part of afternoon tea, is having friends join us. We've got even more friends now, and they're waiting for the scone lady. They've gotten offered sandwiches and the sweets, and the scone lady is next. There's our scone lady offering scones.
One scone, yes.
As you see, the whole room is filling up with people enjoying afternoon tea. So we've actually received more guests at our table, and we're having pleasant conversation as we enjoy our tea and snackies. Yes, please.
Yes, actually, you can be
Thank you.
more than that.
And that's it for afternoon tea for another C Day Tea Day. Thank you once again. See you tomorrow. Thank you.
And there ends another C Day Tea Day
On the Sapphire Princess. We hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and we hope you will enjoy watching some of our other videos.
And if you have, like,
Subscribe
comment, and share.
and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos.
And our cruise on the Sapphire Princess will be wrapping up shortly. Bye for now.
We're retired, it's time to cruise. Where will we go next? What will we see? What exciting adventures will we choose? We'll make new friends and make some plans. We'll post videos as we visit new lands. We love you to join us as we sail around in floating hotels of every brand. We're retired and it's time to cruise. Come and join us or watch our YouTube.